One Saturday, just before the election, I was driving to Mass on a Saturday morning, and I noticed that a campaign sign had been vandalized in someone's yard. It was a big one that they had hand painted. It was for the other candidate, not the one I support. But nonetheless, I felt so sad when I saw what had been done to his sign. I wished I had time to stop and offer to repaint it for him. Instead, I thought I could take him a box of donuts. So that's what I did. I pulled in the driveway, and with no little amount of fear, I got out of the car. He was standing there like this, surveying the damage, and was really angry. I told him what I had been thinking and said that I would like to give this to him since I couldn't offer to repair the damage on the sign that someone had done. And he told me all about how he felt about this election and how things were going. And then he asked how I felt. At this point, his wife came out and she said, "Look what those people are like," and started making some generalizations. And he turned to her and he said, "Well, you can't say that because she just brought us donuts. When we parted ways, we both had a lot more respect for each other." And I really feel this is the fruit of trying to live for a united world.
Ciao, मेरा नाम शालुम है और मैं कराची से हूँ और आज मैं आपके साथ अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूँगा। मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कुछ ऐसा है कि लॉकडाउन से पहले मैंने सोचा कि मैं साइकिल ले लूँ और उसके लिए मैंने पैसे जमा करना शुरू कर दिए। लेकिन फिर लॉकडाउन लग गया और जब भी मैं पापा के साथ बाहर जाता, ज़रूरतमंदों को देख के मुझे बहुत दुख होता था। फिर मैंने सोचा जो पैसे मैंने अपनी साइकिल के लिए जमा किए हैं, क्यों ना वो मैं ज़रूरतमंदों को दे दूँ। और जब भी मैं ज़रूरतमंदों को देखता और मैं उनको अपनी पॉकेट मनी से पैसे दे देता। ये मेरा छोटा सा एक्सपीरियंस था और इस एक्सपीरियंस को करके मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। थैंक यू।
Dovevamo sposarci il 1 agosto 2020.
Abbiamo organizzato un matrimonio divertente e ricco di eventi nella mia città, con amici e familiari. Poi è arrivato il Covid e siamo rimasti bloccati.
Non pensavamo che la quarantena arrivasse fino al giorno del nostro matrimonio, ma è stato così. Perciò abbiamo deciso di sposarci nonostante le restrizioni.
Eravamo disposti a rinunciare a tutti i nostri progetti originali. La nostra unica speranza era di avere almeno i nostri genitori.
Ma i nostri genitori erano lontani, con mio padre negli Stati Uniti, genitori di Cesca 2 ore di volo. Anche questo sembrava impossibile da realizzare, così abbiamo deciso di rinunciare anche a quello. Abbiamo pensato di essere solo noi, un prete e 2 testimoni, il minimo indispensabile.
Questo ci ha fatto apprezzare la vera essenza del matrimonio, una santa unione tra noi due e Dio. Se c'è una cosa che la nostra relazione mi ha insegnato, è che quando lasciamo andare e affidiamo tutto a Dio, riceviamo molto di più di quello che abbiamo chiesto.
Tell me all about you, and I will be listening. I will be listening.